Makery gives students an opportunity to explore and try a variety of things. So whether it's crafts and painting, sewing even, crocheting and knitting, all the way up to 3D printing and some robotics. It's just an opportunity for students to come and try something new. A lot of them each week do pick out something totally different than they worked on the week before. So it's just an opportunity for them to be creative and explore.
Every day, every Tuesday, we come and we can just make whatever we want with the materials we have.
We're making a banana piano and a couple kids are painting, which is really fun. And we had a scepter made by one of our 8th graders, which was really cool to look at. She did it all by 3D pen, impressively.
We've been doing it probably 4 or 5 years. Each year we add on different things. We've written a few grants that have enabled us to be able to add on more equipment.
It's really fun. There is not a lot of negative to it. It's just a fun thing to come out and do after school.
It's just like a place to let loose and create.
I think my favorite part, I have a great group of kids this year. They've been a lot of fun. And they aren't afraid to try things, and they aren't afraid to make mistakes and try again and modify things that they do. So it's just really fun to watch them be creative and get excited about trying something that they haven't done before.